Mike is traveling for business this week, so I am making dinner, and I'd really rather go across the way to McDonald's, but I know I will feel horrible. That's enough sass. I know I'll feel horrible if I eat it. I don't really enjoy McDonald's. I also just don't want to do it. But I thought, you know, I'm just going to try to make that smash taco Big Mac burger thing, because really all I want is the Southern Island dressing sauce on the Big Mac. So we're gonna see what I can do. Well, the kids weren't ready for me to make dinner, so we took a bit of a break. But now I'm less inclined to cook it, I'm more inclined to go out. Sort of dilemmas. So here I am, back, trying to figure out if I have the energy to make smash burgers. And I've ditched the whole McDonald's Big Mac thing. I'm just gonna make some smash tacos, burger patty things, because that's all the energy I have. And kids are driving me crazy. And I know I do this to myself. I know. And yet, no ace. Kind of like a burger, kind of like a taco. It's a good marriage of both. Tortilla's nice and crispy. The meat is nice and cooked through. It's tender. Has a little hint of taco seasoning. I probably should have used a little more. I was afraid to over season. And, you know, my sort of crema with my Greek yogurt, because I don't have sour cream. Also, I didn't add onions because I'm lazy today. I think this would be a real good win. I saw this on a Pinterest article, and they say they heat up really well too, so that's why I made 4. I'm not gonna eat all 4, but I'm supposed to go to a potluck tonight, so maybe I'll be making this for that. We shall see. I don't know. It was very simple, not much energy, and yeah, the yield is good for me. It's good enough for me. I like it. I'm gonna eat it. It's hot. Second bite's better. It really does need the onion.